So hey guys, welcome back. Hey, this is Josh with Accelerated Real Estate Investor, and I just want to welcome you to our newest purchase. This is Forest Ridge. Forest Ridge is a 220 unit apartment complex. There are 20 buildings with 11 units in each building. And we bought this complex for $11.65 million. I was able to acquire the complex with none of my own cash and none of my own credit, which is great. We were able to get a bank loan that was non-recourse, and we were also able to get private investors to invest $3.6 million with us. We're gonna put about $1.4 million into this thing. So you add another $300,000-$400,000 for our acquisition fee, loan costs, closing costs, title fees, etc. We're gonna be all in for about $13.5 million. The amazing thing is that, as you can see, I'm walking through a unit that we're currently renovating, a unit that we're actually just about to put the flooring in. You can see this is 5 feet LVP flooring, $1.53 a foot. And we have a contractor that's working in this unit that's gonna get started later today in finishing up the flooring. We're gonna improve 190 of the units. We're gonna put in a dog park, which is gonna cost us about 10 grand, which is gonna be great. We're gonna fix up what used to be the old pool. That's where the dog park's gonna go in. We're also gonna take down all of the shutters and paint those. We're gonna replace the awnings. We got some patchwork to do in the roofs. We're gonna spend most of the money in the units because currently the blended average of all the rents in here is about $680, $684 per month per unit. That's what they're currently getting. That's what they're currently charging. What we wanna do is we wanna bump that up to $860 per month per unit. That's gonna make our gross operating income go way up. It's gonna make our net operating income go way up. And based on a 6 cap, which is what this building will appraise for, this building is ultimately gonna be worth about $18.5 to $19 million. We're gonna refinance. We're gonna return all the investors' equity. We're gonna return all the pay off the bank loan. We're gonna return all the investors' equity. It's gonna leave us with about $4.5 million of profit, equity left over for us and for our limited partners, for our investors who've invested in this deal. It's gonna take us about 2 years. This is a big project. There's a lot to do. Right now we've got 30 vacancies. We've got 30 units that we've gotta turn, we've gotta fix up. And ultimately, those 30, what's gonna happen is we're gonna take some of the existing residents, we're gonna move them into the new units. Okay, increase the rent, move them into a new unit. Then we're gonna have more vacancies. We're gonna take those vacancies, we're gonna turn those over. We're gonna take some of the residents, move them into those units. And then we're obviously gonna be marketing for new residents. So it's sort of an organic process. Fix the first 30 vacancies, move people in, creates a few more vacancies. Move people into those, creates a few more vacancies. So we're constantly leveling up the residents, we're constantly leveling up the income, constantly leveling up the cost per unit, which is gonna increase that gross revenue that we really, really want. But this place is gonna be amazing. All new LVP flooring is the first thing that's going in, then the trim, then paint. Once that's done, we will have essentially what we call a white box. The white box will be done. Then we're gonna do things like this. Put in a new ceiling fan right here in the kitchen. And then this kitchen area is gonna be amazing. All new white shaker cabinets with black matted hardware, granite countertops, all right? So we're gonna take what used to be kind of old beat up units, granite countertops, gonna be huge. Stainless steel sink bowl, new fridge, new stove, gonna be amazing kitchen space. These are all in good shape, old furnaces, great shape. This particular unit also needed some new doors because the doors were pretty beat up, so we just ripped the whole door out. We'll put a new door in with the hinges, with the frame, put them right back in. Then outside of that, the bathroom. We'll glaze the tub, new tub surround, new aerated shower head, clean up the plumbing, new low flow toilet, new vanity, new medicine cabinet, and finally, a new vanity light. When we're done with this thing, it's going to look amazing. This is in the submarket of Parma, Ohio. There's tons of people that live here. It's the 7th largest city in Ohio, and people love to live here. It's close to downtown. There's a bunch of freeways. There's lots and lots of amenities. Every store, every shop, every school, every shopping center that you'd ever want is right here in Parma. But this building's been kind of not taken care of. It's a little bit, just a little outdated. So guys, here's the summary, and here's the point of this investment. We were able to buy an $11.6 million building with none of our own cash, none of our own credit. We'll be all in for $13.5 million. It's gonna be worth about $18.5 to $19 million. We'll have about $4 to $5 million of equity. We'll have about $500,000 of tax-free refinance proceeds that will come back to us in about 2 to 3 years from now. That's the equivalent of almost $1 million in profit, right? And at the end of the day, we were able to acquire a building for about 40% off of its true market value if it was being operated the right way. So what have we had to do? 1, find a building at the right price. 2, recruit and raise capital to be able to buy the building, which we've done. 3 is we brought in a construction team to handle all the construction for us. 4, we brought in property management to be able to handle all the property management, maintenance, leasing, collections, okay? My job is to manage the managers, right? I'm not in here laying flooring. I'm not collecting rent. I'm not out evicting people. I'm not, building a dog park or improving the roofs. My job, your job as an investor in multifamily and apartments is to manage the managers, build an amazing team of people who can help you, people that care about residents, create an amazing experience for residents, build an amazing team that can help fix the dog park, fix the roofs, fix the maintenance, clean up the units, improve them. Everybody wins. Everybody wins. The residents wins, the employees win, the staff wins. Of course, at the end of the day, us as owners and general partners, we win. But we only win when everybody else wins. How do you get that to happen? You build an amazing team and you manage the managers. So I hope you enjoyed this case study video on our brand new acquisition of Forest Ridge. We also call this 220 Chevy. If you'd like more information about how to do this for yourself, learn more about our coaching programs or our mastermind, and you're looking to partner, do deals with me, somebody that can help sponsor loans, somebody that can help recruit and raise capital, share ideas, share resources, go visit our mastermind page and apply to be a mastermind member. I hope you enjoyed this video. Good luck with your investing, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.